surgery today. Some surgery on food. I probably wouldn't wear gloves to make these, but I know you like to wear gloves.
I
We're going to
do.
be making some meatballs, and we've got some raw ground beef.
Yep.
So 90% lean ground beef, 2 pounds, right?
2 pounds. Okay, so we're actually making a honeyed garlic meatball.
Yum.
Yum.
So excited.
Okay, so 2 pounds of ground beef.
Mm-hmm.
You want to throw in, we've got a medium, I'm sorry, it's a small
Chopped
onion.
Okay.
Chopped.
Got it. There we go. Say that again.
I'm sorry. We have a tablespoon of Worcestershire and a tablespoon of minced garlic.
All right, pour that in.
Pour that in.
Okay.
Okay.
And then teaspoon of salt and pepper.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
It just says salt, pepper. I think, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It's a lot of meat.
Yeah, it's a lot of meat. Got it.
Okay.
And then an egg, right?
An egg. And then the healthy ingredient here is the shredded zucchini. So I think shredded zucchini is a great way to kind of sneak in veggies to baked
love
goods, any kind of baked good.
Yes.
This is a baked good.
Love zucchini.
So we're gonna put in, what was it, a small or like a medium?
I use like a medium, yeah.
Medium shredded zucchini. So we're gonna put that in. It's a lot.
That is a lot.
And then we have a half a cup of panko.
That's a lot. Probably need a little bigger
I'm
bowl.
thinking maybe, yeah, but I can make it work.
I can make it work. I can get you a bigger bowl if you want.
I think I can make it
Once
work.
it gets a little mixed in, it'll be okay,
Right.
and then we'll add the panko.
So, you know, the key to nice tender meatballs is not to overwork the meat too much.
I didn't know that.
The more you work it,
Yeah.
the tougher it gets.
Okay, I make a Cajun meatball a lot, and I never thought I didn't know
You're
that.
supposed to just mix to combine. So why don't we throw those breadcrumbs
Yep,
in?
absolutely. There you go. These are gonna be delicious.
It's gonna be good.
And is that all the ingredients?
This is it.
All right, so we're gonna make the meatballs, and then there's a sauce, right?
There's a sauce, and that's the key right there, is the sauce.
All right.
Okay, so we're just gonna go, let me grab that
Yeah.
pan. And I'm just gonna give this a little mix real quick, a little bit more to get everything incorporated, and we're just gonna start scooping our balls, get them in the oven, and then we'll be back to show you the sauce.
All right.
Okay, so now for the delicious sauce.
Yes.
It's just it's a honey soy
Garlic sauce. Simple.
It is very
It's gonna
simple.
be delicious.
Right, so I'm gonna get this going.
Okay.
We're just gonna add all the ingredients.
All right.
So we have,
Half a cup of ketchup, right? And we've got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a 1/3 cup of honey, right?
except for we need a tablespoon of minced garlic.
I'll get that. I will get that. Get right on
As
it.
soon as you said garlic, I was like, oh,
Yeah.
I forgot the garlic.
That's all right. I know right where to get some. All right. Unless we have it out already. Oh, we do.
I use a lot of garlic.
Yes.
I think I need to buy you another big set
This
of
is
garlic.
this is why we have this size,
I
right?
like it.
Okay, and we're doing 2 tablespoons of the soy.
2 tablespoons of the soy,
And then how much of the garlic?
a tablespoon.
Okay. So a tablespoon of the minced garlic. Oh, I love garlic though. And then 2 of our gluten-free soy. And then is that it?
That's it.
All right.
Just gonna let it kind of just come up to temperature, just, heat it up.
Sounds good.
And that's it. Okay. We'll be right back with the balls.
With the balls. All right.
Okay, so the meatballs
Are done.
are finished up
And
here.
we actually did it at 375 for 30 minutes.
We did. I lied.
375, and I think it was perfect.
I think so too.
375 for 30 minutes, so I'm anxious to try these, and we're gonna mix them with our sauce.
Yeah, so you just, it just says to
Toss them,
toss them in the sauce. Meatballs are in the sauce.
and I love it.
Okay, let's just do a couple here.
That's gonna be yum, yum. I can tell right now.
It smells really good.
Wow. Gosh, over rice, this is gonna be delicious. So we're working on our ding dong dinner for tonight. So we're serving this with a fried rice and stir-fried vegetables, correct?
We are.
Super excited.
Let's see how good these
All
are.
right, let's try that one. What do we think? They're awesome.
That's really good.
They're awesome.
That's delicious.
I can't even taste the zucchini in there. You can
No.
see it a little bit, but it's so good. I mean, honestly, I can't taste it at all.
No, I can't taste the zucchini at all.
Oh my gosh.
That is amazing.
Yep. All right, guys, this is a keeper. You can serve this over white rice. This would be a good appetizer. You could make them a little bit smaller. Be a great appetizer to take somewhere.
And the great thing about doing meatballs, and I actually always make meatballs during the summertime because I make a big tray of them, bake them, freeze them. So then when Ryan gets home after football or being out with the friends, or if we have, you know, a company over last minute, grab them out, heat them up, done.
Very true. Very true. What do I have?
Something in your hair.
Got something in my hair? Yeah, these are good. I'm telling you, this is a good version. A great way to hide in some extra veggies. And super easy.
Yeah.
It's easy. So, all right. Be sure to subscribe. Let us know what you think. We would love to hear your comments about our recipes. Any suggestions you have, any thoughts you have. So, thanks again.
Peace.
Yeah.
These are good. It's really good.
I love them.